Oh guys, you guys live. So I played this guys and it's actually super fun. So I am gonna restart for you guys. It was so satisfying I could not even. I am still this is world 1.
Okay.
This is a squishy guys.
Busog. My God. Busog. Talaga, charge yung ano ko tablet.
Ilang po ang savings at lahat ng credit cards ni Nico.
So good guys. And my mama's looting kandun. This is basic.
Pinagugas ka ng plato. Yung hindi na pinapansin ko na
What is that?
style company na.
What is that? Oh my gosh. Let's do it.
Ang gusto
I give that 1 out of 10 because that's bad. But spawn?
Ano pala yan? Anak ng ex niya.
5.
Anak ng ex niya pala yung lalaking bata. Kaya
Oh.
kamukha nung ex niya. Kamukha nung Ronald.
Baka, ewan ko.
Kaya naglayas at nagbarista dyan. Yung pala yun.
Yeah. Don't worry guys. I'm gonna get it back. Ow! Okay. That's bad. Oh my gosh, there's more. Ow!
Yan, isa lang yan. Siyempre sa amin, dalawa
What?
yan eh.
We're not gonna get to that. And guys, of course, I'm in this one. But basically, I'm right here. And I got this spear. Just click. Oh, it's not clicking. Remember, guys? I
Hindi ako nag-almusal ka. Wow. Ay, sorry pala ha. Pinakialaman ko yung sinumpay mo. Namamalaan siya kasi ako nandiyan.
oh my gosh, there's the butter.
Dinamay ko na yung damit mo. Nakikita ko kasi araw-araw kang pumapasok. Gusto yun.
Oh, I love this butter. There it is, the glaze powder.
Naghahanap ng kalinga ng nanay
Now,
yan.
oh my gosh.
Drama yarn.
Drama yarn.
Drama yarn.
Treat mo lang yung kape ko.
Drama talaga eh. Kala ko, nagsasabulut lang. Ay, kumuha ng desk sa kusina. Ay, sa mukha.
Sarap kaya ng mga pinapatikin mo sa akin. Italian
Good
ka
job
pala
in
sa
this
kape.
whole day.
Pwede ka na magtayo ng sarili mong coffee shop.
Kuya, you want ASMR? Just join me. It'll be fun. Kuya, look, kuya.
Uy, ano yan?
6. Wala, 6. Wala, tiro mo, 6.
I wish they could add slime,
Wala,
guys.
tiro mo.
Slime is
Wala,
actually.
tiro mo.
Okay naman sa akin.
6. Can't call only emergency service.
Oh wow, I love this.
Sige, ikaw na.
Yes.
Uy! Ikaw, wala ka pang tuwalya.
Drama yun.
I love glazed powder. I love glazed.
Drama yun.
Banana.
Marilda yarn.
It barely makes any sound. I got the butter. Oh my gosh.
Wala ba?
Please, let me squish. Let me squish.
Inom ng alak na.
Mayla, ilapag niyo muna yung ano,
Oh.
tablet.
I'm gonna eat, guys. So just wait for a moment.
Akin tapos na.
Guys, I'm back. I'm done eating. Okay, fine. And probably much you guys see the guys. I love it. You guys probably know this is I'm in this section. It's like melting.
Pero pag kaibigan niya yung
Like
ganyan,
melting.
maririnig.
Ano? Ang ganda ng isda eh.
And then there's another.
Ano naman?
Is that dumplings? dumpling.
Ikaw kaya magpapito.
Yeah. Ow! I am gonna step. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna donut.
Tara, kasi ang food sa harap ko.
May kanan pa dyan. Mabusin mo na para mahugasan na yan.
Barely makes sounds. Barely makes sounds. Or in the dumpling. Oh my god! Oh no! I'll just die.
Natake siya sa puso.
My gosh, what is this? Dumpling.
Yan pala yung problema niya. Kaya pala siya naman.
How do I do this? Gimme. I love this.
Huwag lang yung kutsara na yan. Kung naman ang takata, kumain ka na.
Oh, I love it. Part 2. What do you mean part 2?
Dalawang buwan na, ganito ka pa rin. Diba, sabi ko, mas ka dyan, at lahat
We're now in world 2.
mo. Huwag kang umasa na lagi ako nandito para lalayan ka.
Should look like that.
Nasa kulungan. Ay, nakasakit.
Strawberry.
Ano yun na?
Oh yeah.
Alam mo, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Huwag mo akong dadramahan. Dahil hindi mo naman sa drama-drama. Kumain ka na.
Oh, okay.
Ikaw pala, kumain ka na.
I love this one. Yeah. How do I squish this dumpling? It doesn't squish.
Si Trix, dami kong kasama sa planta. Trix, si Eda. Kasama ko.
So satisfying. Oh my gosh. There's more.
May inaasikaso kasi siya. Malapit dito sa atin. Kung
Baboy ba
pwede,
to?
makikitulog siya sa atin. Kasi yung kausap niya, baka hindi niya maabutan.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it breaks! I don't like the pause though. It doesn't make any sounds. It doesn't make any sounds, but this one, I love it. Guys, feeling cold now. I really don't like this. It doesn't make sounds, but it is kind of slow. It's slowing me down, so. I love this. That's perfectly. It doesn't make sounds, but yo, who's that?
Ano naman, hindi mo ba lang ako tinawag? Nag-iyak ka mo.
Love it. This should be like ASMR tower.
Wala, ako lang mag-isa dito. Ano ka ba?
I think I knew Cash videos and he goes like this. Yeah. So I know all of it except for the World 3 part. Yeah, I kind of don't watch that one. Oh my gosh, is that a glitter dumpling? It is.
Nanak niya.
Oh my gosh, banana. That can make sense this time though. The ganja is not really passion. I love this.
Umalis ka na! Umalis ka na! Sige na!
I love those.
Rick, sige na, umalis ka na!
I'm in the floor. I'm in the floor. Who the hell is that? He's watching.
Wala akong buhay kang asawa.
So I'm so distracted for the sabotage.
Alam mo, ikaw lang ang naging
Puppets?
wala ka pala sa kwenta. Sinira mo buhay ka!
I don't have a puppet on my house. Oh my gosh, yes.
Ay, kala ko na sa akin.
Yes.
Big karma yun.
Yes.
Sayang, may naman pala.
Yes.
Yung water niya.
Oh, yes. I don't really like. I like the ice cream. This little in here. How did I come there?
Sino ba naman na magtutulungan ko yung tita
What
yung
the
mga
frick?
magkakapit-bahay? May napansin ako nung pinapatulog ko yung bahay. Parang meron
It's
sa mata niya.
basically like melting.
Puti.
More puppets, yes.
May congenital cataract po yung mga bata.
What? Let's see what's there. Cake!
Iwasan po natin yun.
I love cake, guys.
Lahat po sila. Kaso tayo, sinasabi ko po sa inyo na talaga pong may kamahalan po yung magiging operasyon ng mga bata.
Pagsisikapan ko mabuti yan, Dok. Mag-iipon ako.
There's more glaze. I love it.
May paggamot ko yung mga anak ko, basta huwag lang ko sila
This
magulat.
is number 1 so far, guys.
Dahil meron pa po kasi ako
I
concern
love
na
it.
natin po dun sa pangalan niyo pong anak.
Nah, I
Base
don't
po sa
kind of
initial
like
screening
it.
na ginawa ko.
Child
kanina,
support.
Bukod po sa katarata,
It barely makes sound.
autism.
Autism.
Ano yung autism?
It barely doesn't make any sound.
Sabi mo na sa English?
English yung mental
Oh my god! The cracks are crazy. I love the cracks.
Yung
Hindi yun kasi, hindi yun katulad sa normal na...
Ay, yung parang heart attack yung bata?
Hindi.
And we got another one.
Hindi
Ay,
normal mag-isip, kahit lumaki na, parang bata pa rin yung isip mo.
parang autistic. Pero magagamot niya lang, pero autistic hindi na.
Autistic nga, autism. Yung autism yung sakit ng may
Need a
autism.
word. Well,
Ano kung hindi magagamot
still
yung
word.
autistic?
Let's see what's in one. Come on, guys. Oh,
Okay lang ako. Hindi na ako dito. Basta importante kayong dalawa. Hindi. Okay na yan.
can you shut up? That was kind of mean. Sorry.
Wala, that can get you bonded voice chat.
I am innocent. I am never. Like never. Where am I going?
Alin yung autistic sa akin?
Alright. I love strawberries. What the frick? What is he saying? Oh yes, breaking dumplings. The number 1 is glazed butter.
hindi magamot pala yung autistic.
Okay, finally I'm here. Pretty like I love. I'm lagging. So guys out there. Yeah. If you wanna skip this, you can skip it.
Dapat, ano pa lang, nasa tiyan pa lang, ipag-pray na normal yung baby. Kasi pag lumabas ng ganyan, mahirap gamutin. Happy yung gamot niya.
Why?
Pero hindi talaga totally na mawala.
This speed, I need this. My mama's kind of homeless. Oh my gosh, the lag, bro, the lag. What are that crash out? She has red and I have blue. Matches two. We're now in the pink section, my favorite. No, just never mind. Oh my gosh, there's pink butter. Okay, the number one is pink butter. Pink butter that cracks. What is your favorite color if it's glazed? Mine is probably pink. Pretty much, you guys, I have nothing to do with it. There we go. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Whatever, I could just go up. Never mind.
Dapat di mo na siya umuwi. Binanggit pa lang ang susundan eh, no? Dapat di mo na siya umuwi.
Can I only squish it? Can I only squish the butter? Like, what's the butter doing? Oh, no. It's like donut.
Alam niyo pala kung ano yung autistic.
Yes, I like that. I don't like it very much.
Ano yan, FNK?
Para sa...
M&M. Basically, guys, you have to just do it, bro. Man, why do I keep dying? This is a sad fact. No, bre. My progress are amazing. I am gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. For now, we're locking in. We're definitely locking in. How do they do this? How did Catch do this? First try. It's pretty dope. I am so laggy. Yes! Pink butter glaze. What if it's strawberry? That's cute, Bricks. We're literally not gonna top it all the time. Oh my gosh, that is so.
Laya si mga bata.
I really don't have Robux, so I hope someone give. Please, speed, I need this. Please, speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. My dad is. Where is the sound connected? It's not. No. Where? Are you not? Psych. And of course the dumpling. This time we're not gonna think that we're in examination. Well, I was thinking like, what is this, pudding? Cash said he doesn't know the word. So Cash, if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. And also it's pudding. It's pudding, Cash. Pudding. Pudding.
Dalawa lang sila.
Glazed cheese. Ugh. Why do I always fell on ground? This time. What is that in the middle? Oh, it's a kill brick. It's a kill brick. It's a kill. You want a kill brick? Wait, it's so satisfying. Look.
Ano ba tanong mo? Tatlo sila?
Yung mga anak.
Wait. I have an idea to cheer you up. Here you go. I don't like it.
Tubig.
How are you not like it? Kuya, you want to go to the pink?
I'll eat you instead. You can go to the pig.
Oh yeah, I'm in the pink.
Ayan siya.
Kuya, I'm in the pink.
Kaya din sa alis ka pa.
Rowa.
Woo! Kuya, glazed butter. How about this?
Mala, do you want the no clip or fly?
Look.
Ew. I don't like it. Okay, that's what I like. Ew, I don't like it no more.
Ayan yung artistic ko.
How about this? Why I am holding the same one?
Mangingin na lang sila sustento sa nanay.
Kill bricks.
No!
Ano pa rin pala siya maglakad talaga.
Let's go to pink.
Hindi naman kill bricks ka na.
Pink!
Kill bricks ka na.
Pink! I'm in pink!
Yung kita niya.
Parang
minimum.
malaki din ang pagbubuhay.
A
Pilay na siya. Pilay siya niya, oh.
What are you doing? I thought you don't like it.
Parang si Sir,
Go.
si Sir ano?
Don't care.
Pangalan nun, Iglesia daw yun eh.
Actually, do care, girl. Do care,
Meron
Martin.
kaming kasama dyan na medyo pilay din maglakad eh.
Ayan na pala yung binigyan. Bakit meron silang hazmat suits? Ay, meron pala ano na yan, COVID.
I hate to say I landed it. Wait, but I wanna go.
Alam namin, mahirap talaga ito yung ginagawa niyo. Tingnan na natin.
Wait, you like this?
2, 3, go!
There's more worlds. I'm in world 3. I was started at world 1, bro. And it was nice.
Ay, ano?
Ang problema yan, paano
was
niya
nice.
ano yung negosyong ganyan.
Refrigerator, juicer, at electric.
Oh, tsaka saan siya po pwede?
Finally, bro. Wait, is that the
Kaya mo
yellow
nila igalaw
blade?
yan ah.
Oh yeah, it's kind of like the
Naman yan, uwi
blades.
nyo. Oo, tay. Lahat yan.
And we got
Enjoy ko yung mga bata dyan. Tsaka syempre, pati-business.
Kabu, Tita Sugar.
Ayun o, meron siyang ano, hospital.
No, it makes sense. Why it doesn't make sense?
Tayo, di ba ito matagal na ng wish? Ha?
Dumpling.
I like the dumpling. You're getting
dumplings!
You stupid! You jumped.
Para sa kaparatan.
I'm sorry! You wanna play the game with me? Please go to world World 3. I'm in World 3 right now, Kuya.
How do I get to World 3?
Well, you gotta finish World 2 and World 1. Wait, I'm
Freak
gonna...
more like you.
Fine. I will sama you sa World.
Oh, it's so laggy for your ass. Holy.
Here you go, Kuya. I'm gonna go to the World 2.
Hindi na po kayo magwawalis. Itinda na lang po kayo ng hamburger.
The name called. I am now at World 2.
Mga laruan at tablet para sa online learning.
Dalawang lalaki pala yung ano.
And then,
Tanong, saan siya magbibigosyo?
Kailangan may ad
O,
ako.
tanong, saan siya magbibigosyo? Saan ang pwesto?
Oh, dapat binilan din nila ng lupa.
to add little one.
We're gonna go, so see you guys in the...
Okay, guys, we're back. And Kuya is with me. It's 911. Oh yeah, how about you need to make it to the end before I can?
Literally, you're asking that to the parkour more.
Oh wait, I'm already. You better get it.
There's a cheater. Go down. Go down.
No!
Go down.
I am the one. Fine. I'll go down in the purple and then in the yellow.
Oi. We go to blue and in blue.
Why? Fine. Yeah.
Okay, and now. Oh, wait, Moni.
Yeah.
Go to
Ew. Stop.
Bakit yung pinagpanin sa pamuklok?
Go to my section.
Here. Wait, stop. If you don't wanna stop, then I will teleport doon.
Okay, let me just get to this checkpoint.
Hangat ang bawat kailangan na maging gabay na
I already have my squishy duckling, so I don't even matter.
Kaso ni Nanay Lina.
Bo?
Akalain ang sobrang pagmamahal sa anak niya si Joseph. Ang langit ang matutulak.
I'm kind of bad at parkour, so
Oh my god, I'm parkour. Squishy.
you're not in God's parkour.
Binawasan ng kanyang sariling katluan. Sa magulang ba dapat
Trying to click the squishy?
You're in a ice cream.
Magandang araw po mga kapuso. Ako po si Vicky
You laugh, I'll teleport. If I die, then I'll teleport there. Same, right? I'm gonna rate all of them from 1 to 10 if it's really good, but I didn't rate it, so that's why I'm teleporting.
Yo, the cheater.
No, I am gonna go there, Thomas. Go here.
Uy, ma.
Wait, I am going. Basically. Okay. I'm going to the ice cream area.
Uy, wala ko sa ice cream area.
You're in the ice cream area.
Ay, ito ang ice cream. My life.
Kami. Of course.
Wala, dito tayo mag-start. Dito tayo mag-start. Okay, stop, and 1, 2, 3, go! Parkour master ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So, nakakadaw checkpoint. Oh.
Should I teleport at the end?
No?
Yes, I should, because you are not waiting.
Hey, it's a race, remember?
Paano ka makakatulog yan?
Oh, it's a race, so you don't help me. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Now let's squish my ducklings.
Uy, my life.
How do I squish this? Squish,
Oh.
squish, squish. How do I only squish this butter? Now I'm just gonna squish this.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. I never went you. It sounds like,
ice cream. Yay! Kuya, I'm in the butter.
Let me. Oh, yes. Give me this.
Wait, you're in the white? You're in the green? I'm coming down to green.
I'm not in the green.
How are you in already? Whatever, I'm gonna die myself.
Oh, gravity coin.
Where are you? Are you in
the
yellow?
gravity coin.
Are you in yellow?
I see a gravity coin.
Are you in yellow? Oh my gosh. I see you. I see you, bro.
Oh my, let's play.
Oh. I'm dying.
Oh, so pretty.
Pagtapos
So
ng
pretty,
yellow
it's
purple. Oh
juicy.
my
Oh
gosh.
my, let's break it.
Why do I...
Oh yeah, it's so pretty.
Oh yeah, you said you didn't like breakings.
Breaking. Oh.
Whatever. Wait, there's more breaking in the red area.
Cheese.
Oh yeah, come on. I'm waiting for you at the top. Are you purple now? Oh yeah. Oh my frick. It's literally freaky.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh, it's breaking. I like that.
You said you didn't like breaking, and then, Kuya, look, Kuya, when you step in this platform, it breaks.
Oh, you are.
I'm in the red zone in part
Bakit
2.
ako nag-spawn dito?
Oh, you didn't get your any There's checkpoints. The glowing is the checkpoints.
What do you mean?
It is the checkpoint. That's a checkpoint.
Oh, it's a stupid kill.
That's a checkpoint.
It was a kill break.
Uy. Okay, I see you in the green. I'm gonna go to the yellow. I'm now in the purple.
Mala, do you know these shortcuts? First, this shortcut, I'm gonna show you. Kita mo to, Mike? Tira mo. Imbis you can, tira mo yung shortcut na to.
Shut
Yeah,
up.
Shortcut. Oh, it's
Why
really
I am
good.
in the donut? I need to go to the bottom. Okay. Are you kidding me?
Oh, it's so breaking. It's so juicy.
Wait, I can see you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to the purple.
Cheese, you
How?
almost killed me.
Okay, I'm in the yellow. Gosh.
Mama's boy, Mama's
Oh my gosh,
boy.
why do that?
L-A-M-A-E.
Yep, I'm dying.
Mama's boy. Banana sauce.
That's it. I'm respawning myself.
Uy, Malat, kini ko yung checkpoint. Nakita mo eh. Bakit ako nag-spawn pa rin dyan?
Maybe. If you want Dr. Pepper, I could give you a dumpling. And a squish. And a butter.
Ow, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, never mind. I'm alive.
And a... Why is my butter not doing it? Whatever, I'm going... Oh,
yeah. It's so great.
What the frick? Is it that you? You're in
Mano ka
butter.
this checkpoint? Oh, yeah. So freaky.
Oh yeah, I'm in the purple.
Oh, my God.
So don't try
Oh,
anything.
it's so freaky.
That I can't see you up there.
It's so freaky.
Oh yeah, I'm literally... Okay.
Cheesy. Cheesy. We better
Oh yeah, I can
relax
see you, bro.
now. Oh, yeah. It's so
Siya ng tatay niya.
Yeah, no, if I'm your brother, I would not do that with Mario.
Pero
Cheesy,
ang totoo, drug addict pala.
Cheese, we better relax now, buddy. Oh, yeah. So freaky. Oh, yeah.
There you are. Where are you going?
Oh, but... Oh, yeah.
Why are you?
How do I press it?
Oh yeah, I have one of those. Look. Butter.
Butter your ass.
But you can squish the other ones.
Oh, this. This.
It's whatever you want. Even a spear. Whatever you touch. Here. Kuya, dapat may touch yung platform, oh. You have to, oh, I'm not touching the platform.
Oh, donut. Oh, yeah.
Kuya,
Oh, yeah, where are you at?
I'm here. What? You son of a bitch.
What?
You son of a bee.
Ano to? Nakuha mo na to? Well, how do I get it? How do I get it?
You son of a...
Well, how do I get this? How do I get this? Well, how do I get the
I don't know. Figure it
Hindi mo
out.
makuha rin, Mai?
No. I can put it. Hey.
Kunin mo. Ito ba yun? Dumpling?
Yes.
Oh, it's breaking now. Oh, yeah. God, yeah.
What the hell? Okay. Guys, this is enough. Wait. Oh my gosh.
Speed run.
Wait, did you know that I finished World 3 and let's go.
Can you please miss it for me?
Why?
I want to see it right in the world. Oh, it's breaking again. Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Look, Dr. Pepper, guys. I don't like Dr. Pepper.
I like that.
Nah,
I
I'm
love
just
these
kidding.
things.
Well, you think? Look, Kuya, I got this.
Oh. Walang breaking na naman yun.
Little bird.
Where's the cheese man?
I already knew that from the start.
Oh.
Ano daw? Ano daw? Why
Man, how do I
are
survive?
the cracks so soft?
What? What the hell? Mala, do you know what is the solving to this question?
What? Yes. Go there. Go there. Did you even watch Cash?
No.
I literally watched Cash and I found his
Dumplings.
Kuya, it's taking too long in the next. In the next 5 seconds. I mean 20 seconds. Then Kuya will be alone and I'll go to world 2. 1,
Yo, you
Two.
cheater, you cheater.
80, 90, 87, 8. Better hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yo, you cheater.
11,
You wait for me now.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Everything's glitching.
40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You can do it! 51,
Bro,
52,
I'm not a parkour god.
53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
Wala ka to kay ano this yet? Again.
57, 58,
How do I?
50,
Oh, thank you, big
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
Oh, thank you, bacon.
58, 59, 60. 1 minute, 1 minute and 1 minute and 2. 60 plus 12.
I'm done.
61, 60. Kuya, please wait. Wait.
Wait for who? Wait for your Excel, look.
Oh, I forgot. I finished this. Forgot?
How do you climb this?
Oh wait, I didn't finish the world tree.
Run.
1,
Jump.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Stop it, you idiot.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Uy, how this
18,
can?
19, 20,
Ano yung
21,
80 tapos magiging 19?
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32,
Okay, my shortcut.
33,
Ay, bala ko may shortcut.
34, no shortcuts, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44,
Dito sa Biyangan, Quezon
45,
nagsisibintahan
46. Is that world 3?
No.
si Joseph.
44,
Nang takasan daw siya.
45,
Okay,
47, 48, 49, 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
Oh my God.
60. Now it's 2 minutes. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about 10 minutes?
Banana.
I forgot. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
God.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
Frick.
35, 36, 37, 38,
Annoying naman ang kasi ito eh.
39,
Annoying yung cat.
39, 40. Kuya, malapit ka na. 41, 42. I can see you. 43. You only need to get the cakes. 45,
How do you see me?
46. I can see you. 47.
How do you see me? Wala na ako sasabihin. I'm in world 3 already.
How are you in world 3 already?
Okay, I was joking. You got over the joke. You fall for the joke.
Bukod sa iniaabot ng kanyang anak na si Joyce. Para sa kapatid ko,
Ooh,
ang gusto
we're
ko yan sa kanya, gumaling siya. Sana matulungan kami ng tumulong sa amin.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave, guys. Shana Seymour, like and subscribe. And he failed for the challenge. I was going to give him a super duper surprise, but I guess he doesn't want. So,
Oh, you
bye.
also forgot the checkpoint. Nasa point na ako. How did you actually fall for that?
Mga social worker, health worker, volunteer.
How did you fall for that? That's
Wait, how
crazy.
did you go in world 2?
Sa opera, sa
No, it was World 3. I don't recognize it by the spinning laser. na
Bye, guys.
sa the clay.
I hate him forever. And wait, of course I need to bat him, obviously.
Oy! I know sa word for him.
Interesting. Because, guys, I heard I can still unfriend them and block them.
Hey. So,
I can still unblock him.
I know your past. I will reveal it to the word. I know his past. I could potentially on the past. And he gets the account.
Napaniwala si Joyce sa kanilang napanood.
Unless you change it, how do you change it?
Unless.
I know your name, so one script that can detect your password can do it.
Really?
Or
What's my name?
not Rosa. Ay, not Rose. Rosa tuloy.
Not Rosanna.
Not Rose.
Not Rose. What?
Not Rose nga lang.
No, they're supposed to be numbers.
Alam ko, kanya, yung lahat ng names na merong at least sabi not Rose will get bad or get deleted or terminated or get banned for at least one day. Mas distraction yun. Talagang just think about it.
Guys, I was actually going to log out of my game, and I didn't know he was trying to do that. So let's go. But wait, I don't have a voice chat, so I planned this, and he will never know.
If you don't tell me, I will execute it right now, right then. Okay, then let's see. How do I execute it again? Oh, yeah, magdudo ako ng mouse band, tapos mabibiliin si Roblox, hindi ako.
Kuya, if you do that, I will instead of unfriending you, you can add it to trust friend. But I don't think I trust you because there's scripts on you. So you gotta think that I trust you. Okay?
No.
Well, in case.
Too hard.
Huh?
Too hard.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
Please. Do it and I'm gonna do what I gotta do too.
I gotta do what I gotta do. I do what I gotta do. 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 Do what I gotta do.
Blessing Martinez, no, tapos kinordinate na ni Ma'am Paula. Doon siya gagamutin ng
Cheating. Tapos yung name ko na words. You know, I can just make infinite accounts. That report is going to do nothing. Kaya ko lang yung copy lahat ng accessories ko. And punta ko sa inyo account ko. And I'm gonna do it eventually.
This is a case of schizophrenia. So, chronic illness siya. So, kailangan magamot siya, madala siya facilities para magamot siya ng maganda, ng
You know, detect ako ni Roblox in just one day dati. Ayun. 1 year na. Wala.
Let's unblock this and boom. Yeah, it's still unblocked. Now, new.
Oy! Mas madali ito na lang para hindi manotice ako ni Roblox. Kaya ko lang i-ban yung mga people na naka-blocks. Maganda yun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Marami kong ults. 100 trillion. Kawawa na ni Roblox. Ano yung sinisave? Oh, I won badge.
If I log out, then no one will know.
I will IP ban you. So pag naban ka, kanya mo pa rin.
Pa!
Oh my god, it's so squishy.
Guys, I
like it.
am now going to tell Dad that
It's so
Kuya is gonna
squishy.
hack.
Hindi naman hack yun na. Ban yun na.
Of course, that's
not
why.
hacking.
That's why.
It's not hacking.
That's why.
Somebody give me admin permissions.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Ren is playing.
Ano na naman itong tax mo hindi kayo nakakabayad? Napadalawang pa na kayo hindi nakakabayad na renta. Hindi ang punan itong paupahan ko. Ganda, pasensya ka na. Iyan na talaga ako sa'yo. Dapat lang. Yung pasensya mo, hindi yan nakakabayad sa mga bayarin ko.
Wag mo ano yung ano ko.
Makakabayad naman kami ng utang.
Wag mo yung ano ko ah.
Ginagawa namin ang paraan para mabayaran.
Wag mo yung...
Magkataon lang na wala akong
Wag mo
trabaho.
yung ano ko.
Kung hindi kayo makakabayad ngayon, lumayas
Wag mo yung...
Hindi, Brenda, pangako ko sa'yo. Sa
account
susunod na
ko.
buwan,
Wag mo
babayaran
yung
namin lahat ng renta.
account ko.
Hindi, wala na susunod na buwan.
Squishy.
Lumayas ka na!
Squishy.
Lumayas ka na niya! Brenda!
Squishy.
No! I'm gonna ban you, joke. Pet, ihina mo. Ihina mo. Okay.
Ano ba?
Ihina mo.
5.
Lakas ko pa lang nila ka. Diyan, yan.
Guys, sinabi ko na kay Papa. Let's go. Yeah. Go. 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 Let's go sa dog.
Sulit ko sa lahat na nangyari.
Zoe!
So, ang pag-aaral ko. Ilang ko rin akong gano'n sa iyo.
I'm so sorry. May na. Wala.
Sana ko makatulog sa iyo. Tama si Nanay Liz. Sige na po. Hindi ka nagpagsakat sa nagawa ng nanay. Kahit ano naman po sa bago. Best friends. Ito, tikman mo muna itong niluto ko. Papasa sa'yo.
Nay, napakasarap. Talaga ba? Sigurado ko maraming suki itong tinola ninyo.
Oh, yan naman ang gusto ko sa'yo, anak mo. Bola mo.
Okay. Siyempre.
Bye, guys!
Kung adobo.
Bye-bye!
Sige nga.